Let me start off this video by showing you there is a face to the voice, that there's actually a human being. I'm down there in a lower left-hand corner or lower corner, and I am going to get rid of myself real quick here and get right into talking about using a third-party app with LinkedIn. So if you were not using a third-party app and you were doing this manually, which I did for many, many years, I was working with LinkedIn long before anybody else even kind of knew about it. And so I had to do everything manually. So in that case, you would be putting in, excuse me, something like owner. You would be choosing people. You'd be choosing your location, so on and so forth. And then if it was a first connection, you could send them a message, apply it, and we send them a message. But you'd have to do that manually, person by person. If we were connecting, we could do second or third connections. And again, we'd have to do that manually. So let me show you what a third-party app can do for you. I personally use this third-party app that only costs $15 a month, and will, once you get good at it, which will be very quickly, you will. It'll only take 15 minutes of your day. So I just wanted you to see that you just put in a couple of campaigns, so a connection campaign and a message campaign, and literally wake up every day and press the button. Limit, like I said before, I think that LinkedIn has a limit of 150 actions a day. So you can send out 150 messages. That would be 5 days a week. That'd be 750 messages out to specific targeted potential clients, or connecting with people you don't know, try and get into a referral relationship with them and make sales, get some results, so on and so forth together, which is really underneath it all what we're trying to do here. But bottom line, you literally wake up and hit the start button, and it'll just, without letting this go too far, it'll just connect with them or start sending messages, whatever you've told it what to do. I'm going to stop it real quick. And this makes everything go 10 times faster. So you're absolutely welcome to reach out to me. We can get into more detail on the app and also the messaging, also the strategy, also the targeting, so on and so forth. There should be a bunch of ways above and below this video to reach out to me. And I'll do a 30-minute Zoom call. I'll share my entire strategy with you. And like I said, the messaging, the app, et cetera, et cetera. And I will either talk to you soon, or I'll see you in another video.